This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to be doing the Edabit Python challenge using Lambda functions. And they want you to create a function that returns itself, but using a Lambda function. And so the basic format or construction of a Lambda function is the name of the function and equal that to Lambda, the parameters, and with a colon, and then what you want to happen. So like if you wanted it to be like a lambda add one function, you could do lambda have n for the number, and then the code would be like n plus 1. But here we're just wanting to return itself, so a number or a string or a Boolean value. So basically you just follow this format right here that they gave you. So lambda function equals lambda, and I'll just call it x colon x because we just want to return itself, and that should pass all of the challenges and all the tests. And so that is my walkthrough of using lambda functions.